Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I want to show you how to operate in Metamask, how to install Metamask into your browser or maybe on your phone. So if you are using your Android, just go to Play Store and type Metamask, and if you are using an iOS, you can just type Metamask on your under your Apple Store and then get it. So for now I'm just going to install it for Chrome. You can install it for Firefox, Brave and Edge. So I'm just going for Chrome because this is Chrome is what I'm using right now. So just go to your the process is still the same. So I'm just trying to install this thing as you can install it from your Play Store or from your Apple Store. So I'm just taking you step-by-step tutorials on how you can get started with this, because most of the time this is what we are going to use, because I'm kind of using iPhone and I can't use the app like on Trust Wallet on my own iOS. So that is why I've decided to create this video for the convenience of everyone. If you want to know how you can use Metamask, so this thing is adding. So just let this thing add to finish. So it's checking. So then this thing I've turned up, then I'm going to pin this right now. So after you download it, the next thing you want to do is to click on the app. So it will show you something like this. Then click on get started even on your phone. Click on get started. So if you don't already have Metamask, so you need to create a new wallet. So click on I agree and input your password, the password that you will remember. So create it. It's easy as that. So you'll be given a key phrase which you save. So as you can see here, the next thing is you will be given a key phrase which you can save. So if I click this thing right now, this name will reveal my secret word, which is I need to copy it and paste it somewhere, because if you want to log in different location, you can just log in. So I'm just going to pause these videos and click on reveal this thing. The process is same thing using maybe Android or iOS when you want to register for this Metamask. So I'm going to pause these videos in case. So the next thing is you'll be asked to input your code again with that code that you copy. Make sure you copy it somewhere, make sure it's saved, make sure everything is saved. And the next thing we want to do is to click on all done. So what is new? They are trying to tell us what is new. So here is what you will see, and this is, we are not using Ethereum right here. We have to switch to BNB Mainnet. So this one is same easy as phone. You can just go to your Metamask on your phone. Okay, so after you go to the Metamask, click on your three dot icon, the three dots and three icon, which is the menu bar, and go to settings. I'm talking about those people that are using iPhone or Android. Just go to your three icon on that phone, your phone. Click on your settings and then click on networks. Okay, so just here I'm just going to click on Ethereum mainnet and click on add network. Then the next thing we want to do on phone 2 is to click on add network. Now we have to add a BNB network. So okay, I'm coming. Add BNB to Metamask. So I'm just going to go for this, or go for directly to the Binance too. So after installing the key phrase configure, so this is what we are going to do. The network name will be a Smart Chain. Write something on your phone too. Network name will be the Smart Chain. The next thing we're going to do is to copy the new URL and paste it here. Remove this. coming. Let's check something out. So I think this one is not correct. This is new CPC URL. Okay, they are talking about the block URL. So the bscan.com. Then the new CPU. Oh, it's supposed to be here. So I'll just paste everything in the description below, so you can just check on it. Just go here. So, and then the symbol is BNB. The ChainID 2 is 56. Boom. So save. We have our BNB added to our wallets. So as you can see, we have a smart chain here and we have Ethereum mainnet here. Smart chain here and we have Ethereum mainnet. You can switch between the two successfully. So you can just switch to the two. So when you want to switch to the two on your phone, just click the menu bar, which is the just 3 line on that the top left corner of your phone. After you click on it, click on something that says accounts. So that is how you can switch between accounts on your wallet. So that's it. So now if you want to import a token, I have a token right now on my YouTube channel that people are pasting. If you want to add a custom token to your smart chain, so I'm coming. Let me just switch to my channel. So let's say we are adding this token, and this is the code. So whether you're on phone or you are on PC or anything that you are using, click on import token, paste the import token. So this one might not show, so you have to import it yourself if it doesn't show up. Then the next thing you want to do is to add this custom token and import token. Boom. So that is how you create your own successfully. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So as you can see, I'm dropping the content like this, maybe something like on this airdrop stuff. So I already created 2 videos on it, and which are,
hey guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing here? So there's this airdrop going.
So the thing you want to do is to check the videos out. I think this Man United FC is gone, and I almost have like over 300 or 400 of it. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.